I'm going to show you about our tools. This is a felting mat, and this is where we place our felt when we felt pieces together. And this is my felting needle, well, my needle tool. I'm gonna unlock it. So if I have that line matched up with that dot there, it is locked, and I turn it, and I line up the unlocked line with the dot, and then this comes down. And there's 5 needles in here. Now these needles are barbed, which means that they catch the fabric and kind of weave it or like sew it in and out. Do you see those little notches? If I get it close. Do you see those little notches on the needle? So they're like little holes in there, and it really pulls the needle through. This is here to protect you because you do not want to get your fingers with that. Now this is how you felt. You line up the pieces you want, and I'm just going to do a test felt here. And you take your felting tool, and you have to hold it perfectly straight up and down. And you just go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And really, it just takes a lot of going up and down before your felt, your fabric starts to connect together. So they're basically, the orange piece is being pushed into the green piece so that they're kind of connected and become one piece. So you just go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And I'm going to go around the whole orange piece real quick. Get those edges down. And then I'm going to go back and really work on one spot for quite a while. And I'm going to show you what happens. So you can see over here, I've just kind of stabbed it with the needle a few times, and you can see that like the fabric's attached, right? But you can still tell that the orange is sitting on top of the green. Well, down here, I have felted that orange so far into that green that it is one fabric now. It is one piece. So it's a green and orange piece of fabric. I can't pull that orange up because it's become part of the green. So you want to felt it so much that it is flat or flush and the two fabrics combine together. So if you can still like pull it apart like this, that's not enough. The other thing I want to tell you is these needles are super thin and super delicate, and they will break very easily. You cannot hold the needles at an angle like this or they'll snap. Also, do not twist it. So when you push the needles in, if you twist it, you're going to snap all those needles off and they'll be stuck in the fabric and broken. So they're expensive and just really not fun to try to fix. But yes, this is expensive equipment. So make sure that when you're felting, you're not twisting, right? It's just straight and you're not tilted. It's just straight. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So what I want you to do today is just try connecting 2 pieces of felt together so that you get used to playing with the tools. And remember, what you're looking for is that the pieces are flat together, that they're connected like one piece of fabric and not like sitting on top of each other, like the orange sitting on top of the green. You want it really integrated like that. So go ahead and practice your felting.